Let me give you a small brief about the I2C. So as we have discussed that integrated circuit is a widely commonly used protocol, right? It is mostly used for the things like EEPROM and I display and RTC models, right? These are the concept like there is two lines of the data SDA and SCL, and between the two lines we can connect different kinds of slave and different masters, right, to communicate that. And we can the good part about that, like everyone is can be accessed through their addresses. Each master, each slave has their unique addresses, right? And we can read or we can write the data by using that specific address, right? So it you only use the two wires, right? And it also has a built-in acknowledge mechanism standard speed at 100 kilohertz, mostly 14 kilohertz or 1 megahertz. So different kinds of speed we can select. Just a second. Hello. Yeah. Huh. Huh. हाँ. नहीं अभी तो नहीं. Thank you. Yeah, sorry guys. So yeah, I think we have discussed already these things previously. How does it communicate work? So master is send start condition. Master send 7 bit slave address plus read and write bit. Right. There is an address of slave that is size of in the 7 bit addresses, right? Along with we embedded the read and write bit, like we are going to read or write it. Then slave send it acknowledgement, data transfer happen, master stop the send conditions. So these are this communication happen between master and different slave in bits, and those formats are specific. Like first of all, master will send first start condition, then it will initiate the communication only. So this is the background process that happen between the controller and slaves, right? But if we like overall, we do not deal in that deep initially because we have all the kind of right now libraries and good controllers, right, which can manage this thing in background already, right? Acknowledgement is very important. If slave does not acknowledge that, the communication gate fail, right? This is the important condition, that whatever we are sending or reading or writing over the slave, that model should be first of all acknowledge it, right? It should respond that yes, I am alive, right? And electrical requirement, right? I2C require pull up pull down register on SCL and SDA, right? This is the very common case. If our model right now, like we have we can either we can like use a separate modules, right, which do not come with I2C, which do not come with a pull up pull down register. But fortunately most of modules like display modules comes with a pull up pull down register, right? And I think now controls are enough that we can also set those things internally. But in most of cases we need to connect pull up register for the STL and SDA, right? And typically I2C devices are like OLED display RTC models, right? And it's very common.